Barely 24 hours have passed since the tragic mass shooting inside Tacloban City National High School, and DepEd Chief Secretary Sunny Angara paid a campus inspection visit earlier today to provide comfort and assurance to teachers, students, and their families, and guidance to school officials and authorities providing security in the community. The full report, care of our Gab Humilde.
Education Secretary Sunny Angara went today to San Jose National High School in Tacloban City to meet with local government officials, the police, and representatives of DepEd field offices regarding the shooting incident that happened yesterday. The Secretary emphasized the importance of strengthening security inside and around schools so that similar incidents will not happen again. The Secretary also called on the PNP and other agencies to intensify measures and to keep schools and communities safe.
Hindi lang sa peace and order problem, tingin namin kailangan i-manage din yung mga bata kasi parang exposed sila to a lot of violence online. Tapos marami wala ring magulang. Ang sabi sa akin, yung isa sa mga shooters or children in conflict with the law, parang yung father nasa ibang probinsya, nagkatuan ka ng trabaho. Sabi ko sa ating mensahe dito sa ating mga guro at mga principal na talagang parang magulang na tayo dito at saka kinakamusta natin dapat natin yung mga bata at tinitingnan ko talagang may aberya, may problema, may hindi regular yung bata.
He also personally visited the victims in the hospital and assured that the necessary support for their recovery, safety, and immediate needs would be provided. The department previously stated that they are already working with relevant government agencies to deploy critical medical assistance and appropriate psychosocial intervention for the affected students and personnel. Gab Humilde Villegas, for The Nation.